Let's fill out the Michigan Motorcycle Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a motorcycle in Michigan, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. All owners listed on the title must sign before the motorcycle can be transferred. So if there are multiple owners, every single one of them needs to put their signature on it. Now, the seller has a couple of important responsibilities. They need to provide proof of Michigan no-fault insurance. And they must complete the odometer statement as part of the process. When it comes to the sale price, you'll want to list the full purchase price or the fair market value, whichever one is greater. That's an important detail, so don't overlook it. If there's a lien on the motorcycle, you'll need either a lien termination statement or the title signed off by the lien holder. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.